up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! What? Do you want to go into the pastures with me? Sure. Excuse me. Hello. Oh, come on. Oops. Too far of a hit. And I better go get him. Hey! You're not supposed to do that. Because that's not fair to do that. What does that matter to you? It matters a lot to me. Really? You really had to say that? Indeed I did. You know what, just go. Just go. Go! Fine. Excuse me. I said excuse me. Can you move, please? Sure. Okay, now we can go. Okay. It's just plain wood. Do they expect us to eat dirt? Don't start it. Don't start what? There's nothing to start about. I mean, all you do in here is kick up dirt. Just be happy that we even have a pasture to live in. No, just go do something. We'll explore, okay? Are you coming too?
Sure.